I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
Where's your husband at?
Way over there.
Somewhere around here.
We're not doing that. We're not going to
You do any other bobber food?
No, unless you're clamping or going full sending. What amp? I mean, that's I'm trying to get the power rating. I think it should be
About 2,500 watt high phonics. 25, good.
I just want to make sure I get him in the right.
Got it on?
Dude, I ran
Put it on the phone. Dave was looking for you. Well, he's going over that way. He said he wasn't going, but then he started walking, so.
Oh, yeah.
Unless David can make it come home when we get in the lane.
He asked where you were at. I said way over there. He said, oh, I'm not walking way over there. Then he started walking way over there. So you're probably not even gonna see him. You're probably gonna bypass. I don't even see him there. You said what?
Hey, Joseph! Joseph!
I was at 15.5. When I turned it up even louder, it fluctuated at 15.4.
Come on with that. Where was trucking at? No, he walked towards the world. Hello?
Yeah. Like I said, we went to final 132. I rolled down her back window. I think they're sitting on top dead center of that roof. I bet it should tighten it up. There's another point three if I pushed it up here. If I held up here and shaped maybe one sufficiency. I mean, it's just like, I tell everybody, these cars, everything you see that, they'll take it. They look at it. What frequency is that? No, that's what I'm telling you. I've been calling guys who pay a lot of money to do things. What, 45? Yeah, 145. And then we can play Buddy this year. It's going to be running.
Equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.